Good morning to one and all. In the last class we have discussed about few chemical properties. Those chemical properties are nothing but some nucleophilic addition reactions. After that nucleophilic addition reactions, I will move on one more addition, that is addition of ammonia and its derivatives. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives meaning is ammonia is nothing but acting as a base and its derivatives also acting as a base or electron rich species. They are definitely adding to the carbonyl group because this carbon is bearing plus charge. Hence, there is nucleophilic substitution or addition of ammonia and ammonia derivatives. General equation is given as this is a carbonyl, that means aldehyde or ketone. Now I will use that general as NH2Z. NH2Z. What is that Z? I will represent it in the table. Let us see. Now there we got an intermediate. This is said to be addition compound. Finally, this complete form is condensed by elimination of water. And it is said to be the substituted product, which is substituted N means ammonia derivatives. You have to take one complete table. This is very simple, and if you know the general equation, definitely you can say that there is the substitution of all these reagents, and I will do one equation for taking an example. Let us consider what are the values of Z. Z may be H. If Z may be H, what it becomes? Ammonia. Z may be R. If Z may be R, it becomes ammonia derivative. Either it may be primary amine, secondary amine or tertiary amine. If Z is nothing but OH, now it becomes hydroxyl amine. Z becomes OH, it becomes hydroxyl amine. If Z is nothing but NH2, it is known as hydrazine. The reagent names are different. These are said to be somewhat the special names of reagents we have studied in this case. Next, Z is said to be C6H5NH. C6H5NH, it is known as phenylhydrazine. Okay. Next is Z may be C6H5NH on position 2 nitro group, on position 4 nitro group. Hence, its name is known as 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. What is the difference between these two? In phenylhydrazine, position 2 and 4, they have got nitro group. Hence, the name is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. And last reagent name is said to be, formula is said to be NHCONH2. NHCONH2. Instead of Z, if you substitute this reagent, name becomes semi-carbazide. So these are said to be somewhat different reagents known as ammonia derivatives. Now, if these reagents are substituted to aldehydes or ketones, what is the derivative form? Possible derivative is said to be, or product is said to be, it is C double bond NH. C double bond NH, like that, wherever C double bond N is there, such compounds are known as imines. Already we have discussed, it is in Stephen's reaction, imines formula. If it is HCH double bond NH, it becomes. Next, I will take R. Instead of that Z, R is taken. What happens here? C double bond N R. C double bond N R. It is said to be substituted imine. Imine, that is, instead of H, I have replaced R, called as substituted H. Come to know next OH, that is hydroxyl amine is there. The formula of that product is C double bond N OH. C double bond N OH. And in all cases, carbon is satisfied by valency 4, nitrogen is 3, oxygen is 2, hydrogen is 1. Wherever that nitrogen is containing OH, the product is named as generally oxime. Next is hydrazine used. Now the product is said to be C double bond N NH2 and the name becomes hydrazine to hydrazone. Hydrazine to hydrazone. Come to know next reagent, that is phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine, the product formed is said to be C double bond N NHC6H5. C double bond N NHC6H5. Phenylhydrazine is converted into the product known as phenylhydrazone. Come to know next 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Now the product is said to be as it is same, only the position of 2 and 4 are nitro groups. The name is said to be 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone or shortly it is known as 2,4-DNP. And last is said to be, if you use semicarbazide, the product is said to be C double bond N NH and C double bond O NH2. Semicarbazide is converted into semicarbazone. So this is one table how to ammonia and ammonia derivatives are said to be substituted to aldehydes and ketones. And this reaction is also known as condensation reaction. Why it is called as condensation? Because the molecule is said to be reduced or condensed by elimination of water. Let us I will use one example, and as similar way you have to practice all the equations or reactions by using different reagents. Okay. Consider an example. The reagent used is said to be 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Maybe all of you have got some confusion in this formula. I will clear that with example. This is aldehyde, okay, or ketone. Plus, what is the formula of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine? The general formula is H2NZ, where Z is nothing but 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Let us I will represent, that is H2N, next is N, H, next is benzene ring, and on position 2 nitro group, on position 4 nitro group. Okay, this complete compound is substituted to this carbonyl compound. In simple form, I will take the equation. Elimination of water is taking place. Okay, the complete molecule is reduced as C double bond O, next is N and NH, and remaining is benzene ring with the position 2 and 4 nitro groups. Likewise, you have to practice all the reactions by taking various examples. Now, this compound is known as 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. Shortly, it is 2,4-DNP, means phenylhydrazone. Okay. So, similar remaining reagents you have to use and complete all the equations. Yes, this is somewhat important in one last question, how they ask. Complete the equation or what is the product formed. Like that, there are various type of questions they ask. I will discuss the type of questions later. Come to know next, there are one important type of reaction. Already we have discussed about addition of nucleophilic substitution in aldehydes and ketones. This is one important concept of chemical property. Come to know second, that is said to be reduction. Reduction. The meaning of reduction already we know that. Addition of hydrogen. The main two reactions here is taking place, addition of hydrogen. How hydrogen is added? By using some reducing agents. Those reducing agents may be sodium borohydride, NaHB4, NaBH4, lithium aluminium hydride, that is Li, AlH4. Like that, various reducing agents you know, and I will use some different reducing agents in this case, and those reactions are said to be very important concept in theory as well as some competitive exams. First is called as Clemenson's reduction. Clemenson's reduction. This is known as one of the well-known name reaction, how the aldehydes and ketones they are reduced. Generally, two processes you must know: oxidation and reduction. If alcohols undergoes oxidation giving aldehydes, then giving carboxylic acids. If aldehydes undergoes reduction, they are giving alcohols, further they are giving, you can say that, hydrocarbons. In this case, I will convert aldehydes to hydrocarbons. First, Clemenson's reduction. What is the reducing agent? Special type of reducing agent that is called as zinc amalgam. Zinc amalgam, formula is ZnHg, is said to be supporting media and concentrated HCl. Now, how the reaction is represented? Or I will take, this is said to be aldehyde or ketone, zinc amalgam, HCl, concentrated HCl. What is the possible product form? Definitely we can in one step convert. This act as a reducing agent means it uses hydrogen. For balancing you have to take here 4H like that, or simply 2H2. There is elimination of one water molecule, C double bond is converted into single bond. Now H and H are added to the double bond, remaining is said to be the hydrocarbon. That means CH2. If you take here it is CS3, here it is H, it becomes CS3, CS3 means it is ethane. That means generally it is said to be hydrocarbon plus H2O. How the mechanism is taking place in this reaction, just you observe, or I will in detail give in the notes. Zinc is playing very important role. In this case, oxygen is more electronegative, got electrons towards and it becomes a plus. Zn is said to be always lose of electrons. Those two electrons are said to be towards the oxygen. Now it becomes a C double bond O minus definitely, and this is said to be plus. Plus 2 electrons are there. It indicates it is simply O minus here, and 1 electron is said to be, in this case, that is C also minus. Further step, what happens? We have used HCl. I will take 2 molecules of HCl. That means there are 2 H plus are obtained by dissociation of HCl. 1 H is to oxygen and another H is to carbon. Now it becomes C OH, and next it is said to be H. Further, what happens here? Zinc is playing a role, or I will take another HCl molecule is playing a role, that is H plus and OH minus. This OH minus got electrons from carbon OH bond. It becomes, you can say that oxygen is donating electrons to this hydrogen water molecule. Avaga idina just as it is nan represent madini, and there is elimination of water definitely takes place, H2O, and remaining is said to be C plus. It has, now again there are, Zn plays a role. 2 electrons they are to this carbon getting C minus. Now again HCl plays, this H plus is added to this carbon, it becomes a CH and 2. Now it is a hydrocarbon. Okay. In detail I will cleanly give in the notes. Yes.